Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by creating a Firebase project and registering your Android or iOS app so Firebase can issue config files tied to your package name and SHA1. Once done, download Google Services, JSON or Google Service Info. List and put them in the correct platform directories. This gives your app the credentials it needs. Next, add Firebase Core to PubSpec. YAML and update Android Gradle, ClassPath, and apply plugin or iOS Plus settings. These steps let Flutter talk to Firebase securely and immediately. Now choose real-time database for simple JSON trees or Cloud Firestore for structured, indexed documents. This choice affects how you model data and query. Once chosen, add the matching package, Cloud Firestore or Firebase Database, and run Flutter pub get so code can import Firebase APIs. In main, call widgets Flutter binding. Ensure initialized, then await Firebase. Initialize app, so Firebase services are ready before widgets mount. Make sure initialization errors are caught so you can present a friendly retry UI if some. Finish by wiring reads and writes. Use add or set for writes and get, or snapshot/streams for real-time reads. This gives you predictable sync behavior. Test on a device or emulator whose package name and debug signing match the Firebase app you registered, otherwise requests will be rejected. Finally, deploy security rules and enable authentication before going live so clients can only access allowed data. If something breaks, check console errors and ensure Google Services files and SHA1 match. Mismatched config is the most common issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.